Hello, my loves. It's Kasha Panerista 101. As you can probably see from the actual name up here, it is another box from Archer and Olive. I'm gonna go ahead and open it with you guys. I seriously got hooked after that first journal, so I decided to purchase some more, right? Because why not? So let me take this out. Oh, look, they include like a little thingy up here. So I got multiple journals that were on sale in a completely different format. Okay. So I am typically an A5 girl, but next year I might be trying something different. So let me see. Let me show you because I have not seen them, right? I'm opening them with you guys. So I ordered 3 journals. We're going to figure out which one's which. They all come in their beautiful boxes. They were on humongous sale. I think they were around $22 each, I want to say. So this is an 8x8. All 3 of them, like I said, very different format. I just want to see if this format will suit me a little bit better than my A5. And I'm not saying that I'm not enjoying my A5s, because I am, and I love them, but at the same time, sometimes I feel like the pages are not big enough for me. So we're gonna open all 3 of these. Sorry about the noise. That's a lot of noise. Okay, I'm done opening all of them. So let's go through them right now. I'm gonna pick one by one. Let's see, which box do I like the most? I like this box the most, so let's start with this one, because how else would I open them, right? Okay, so this one is called, oh, okay, this one is not what I expected. I mean, I've seen it, but I didn't think this is what it's going to look like. So this one is called Fox in the Winter Woods. And again, 8x8, very different format for me. I don't know if they have a name like B1 or whatever, but that's what I'm just gonna refer to it as 8x8, since I don't know the proper names, because there's like so much stuff in the box. But it is a dot grid. As always, it comes with 2 ribbons. I think this might be a little different and kind of fun to journal in. It does come with a back pocket, and this is the back of it. So it's very like canvasy. Comes with 2 like the dark green ones. Yeah, I think this is stunning. Like, I don't know which one I'm gonna pick for journaling, or whether the one I already had picked out. So I have a lot of options, and if not, I can always find a use for these notebooks. And plus, like, who doesn't want to collect some notebooks, right? They are stunning. So this is the first one. I'm just gonna like slide it up. I'm gonna put this in so it doesn't get like ripped up. Okay. I see why they do it. Okay, so I don't want it to get ripped up or anything. So I'm just gonna slide it a little bit so we can have more room. I'm gonna go in order now, since I opened that one and did not expect it. Also, you guys, take a look. So it's Winterscapes 2024. So it gives you like a idea of what it is. So it's vegan leather actually. It's dot grid notebook. It has 160 ultra thick so 160 GSM pages. Very, very cool. So vegan leather. Yeah, it did feel like canvasy. So very, very cool. Next up, this one is called Antique Floral. So again, Bookram. I don't know what that is, but it is the same thing. So 60 ultra thick pages, dot grid. So let's take a look at that one. I love how they're packaged. Oh my gosh, you guys, take a look how stunning it is. Okay, these are great as gifts too. If somebody like journals and stuff, look at the inside. Oh my gosh, not even a gold person, and this is stunning. So, same thing, dark green ribbons, except this hardware is gold. It's not silver like the other one. So that's the difference. Same pocket on the back. Like, look how stunning. It is more canvasy for sure. It's like a little bit more, even like from my desk, it's picking up a lot more. So, stunning. Yes, it is. Very pretty, and it has elastic and a pen loop, but it also has gold pages. How cool, right? So excited. Okay, so that is my second one. And again, all of these guys were on sale, so I ended up purchasing them. I like, outside of trying one for a journal next year, I did not have a purpose for these. So, but this is like the comparison in size in case you wanted to see. So this is an A5, so it still is the A5, well, maybe like a millimeter shorter than an A5 notebook, but then it's much wider. So this is 5 by 7, and this is 8 by 8, maybe 7.5. I don't know. They should be very similar. So let's see. Height wise, yeah. Okay, so maybe 5 by 8, and this is 8 by 8. I don't know. I don't know what A5 is, you guys. Like, I forgot the sizes. I should look it up. But too excited about these to do anything else. So last one, which is going to be a copy of the notebook that I purchased for my journal in A5. This one is silver pages. Like, look at this. That is so my aesthetic. And then this. So since I did get engaged, I might like journal about the process in here. I don't know. We decided not to have children, so I don't know who I would be doing that for. The bookmark is teal, right? And the silver, where like the hardware is silver to match the notebook, and then the back has the packet as all of them. And then let's see what this one says. So this one says Bookram as well. So it must be this like fabric, that's what it's called. So let me know if you guys have developed an obsession with Archer and Olive like I did, because I'm just, I don't know, like I can't help myself now. The like packaging is beautiful. The notebooks are beautiful. The paper is gorgeous. I'm kind of looking forward to next year right now just because of these journals. So yeah, now I have decisions to make. So let me know which ones you guys think I should be using as a journal for next year. So I have A5, that's exactly like this, and then the other 3. So let me actually take all of them out and then show you, and then we're gonna put, so this one is called just Signature Floral. This one's Antique Floral. So you can vote which should be my journal for next year. And then also let me know if you guys have any ideas for me to use these notebooks in a different way. I might turn one into like a recipe book, maybe. I don't know. Or like a meal planner that's year by year. I created a planner this year that should be like year after year. I don't know if I want to keep it in a planner form. I might be transferring it to something like this. So we have Signature Floral, Antique, or Fox in the Woods. Let me know which one I should be using as my journal next year. You guys get the pick, and then, like I said, if you have any other ideas of how to use these, let me know. Thanks. Bye.